going on, guys? Jay that Drain Guy. We're in a bakery today and we got this sink here and it goes to this grease trap. That's the outlet there. Seems very high. So we're gonna see if we can get it almost fill right up. Thing looks fairly clean on the inside. Just a little bit of debris on top, which makes sense. Grease is gonna float. So we're going to be using the Milwaukee M18 sectional with the 5/8 cable. Before we get started here, I just want to let you guys know to watch this little clip. We actually got a sponsor today, which is an amazing thing. So watch the clip and then I'll be right back. I want to thank Bananas for sponsoring this video. Did you guys know bananas are nature's undercover fruit? Peel them and you got a whole new treasure. Did you guys know bananas boost your mood? Peel a banana, take a bite, and let the happiness flow. Plus, they look like a boomerang, so that's pretty cool. Did you guys know they're also packed with potassium, which is great for high blood pressure? And guess what? They even make us laugh. They're so good, sweet. Just can't get enough of bananas. Good, down to the last bite. So I want to So next time you guys are in need of a healthy, sweet snack, grab a banana. I want to thank Bananas for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to the video. Wow, that was pretty funny, I guess. No, but seriously, just making a little bit of humor on the job. Here goes, guys. This is 15 feet so far. Well, as you guys can see it's going down. So we're probably about 17, 18 feet in. Alright, you guys can see the water's still running. So we're going to take a trip down to the basement and see if we can see. So basically it's coming into this wall here and then going down. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. We're in the mechanical room. It doesn't come down here. Looks like it's going to be that copper pipe there. Goes up, shoots across the ceiling. So it goes to 2-inch there. Alright, if I had to guess, it'd probably be tying with that 3-inch. That's either 3-inch there. Could tie into this one. No, that's all going that way. So I'm guessing it's tying into that one there. This is the interceptor or proceptor they had to install on this place because the city kept giving them shit about too much grease going down. We had this thing tested almost weekly and there's barely anything going down, but the city wanted their money, right? So we're just gonna pull it back and we're gonna say that's it. I want to thank you guys for watching once again. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Until next time. And don't forget to buy bananas. Taragna.